I began redesigning my entire business model. I chose something different. I hired a virtual assistant. I split my office into smaller departments. I implemented different technologies that never been used in our business before. I spent 1 to 2 days every single week just redesigning and restructuring a new business model. And during this phase of building, a lot of my peers, they were skeptical. They're like, this is non-traditional ways of approaching our business. But I could just kept staying the course, restructuring, redesigning, building it. And luckily I had, because then COVID hit. But I was super prepared. Everyone else was struggling. They're like, oh my God, what do we do?
I don't know.
But because I integrated all these new business designs and these technologies and organized my business in a way that I could work from home easily, everyone else was floundering. But because I was able to do this, what's really fascinating is my office ended up winning 5 national titles, which means #1 in 5 different categories because how prepared we were that year in our sales.